What's up, foodies? Today we are getting real and making something special. One of the first dishes I ever made in culinary school. Turkey liver mousse. Now don't let the fancy name fool you. That's perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself. No need for culinary acrobatics because we're keeping it simple and tasty. And just letting you guys know, this video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. I'm doing a series of cooking videos with them. They're a 45-year-old Alberta company that is dedicated to the cleanest, best tasting, fresh products. Many of their products come from farm direct relationships and they are organic. Who doesn't love organic? You can taste the difference. They have provided me with some amazing turkey liver from Winter's Farms. Winter's family has raised turkeys on their Alberta farm for 4 generations. Their birds are humanely raised with a total consideration for their comfort and well-being. So let's get into it. Now grab a decent sized skillet and toss in 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Throw in the finely chopped shallots, a tablespoon of thyme, and some minced garlic. Let's cook that for 5 to 7 minutes until the shallots get all see-through and release a sweet smell. Time to get the turkey liver into the mix. Push the shallots to one side, drop those pieces into the skillet and cook them till they lose their pink in the center. It's roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now don't go too crazy cooking them, we want to keep that delicate flavor intact. Take out your food processor, toss in the cooked liver, shallots, and garlic mix. Add in half a cup of heavy cream and a pinch of ground nutmeg. Now blend it until it's smooth as silk. Make sure you scrape down the sides and give it another whirl. You're looking for a nice, light and airy, creamy texture. So I need to switch to my big food processor. My small one just decided it doesn't want to work today and gave up halfway through blending. Now give it a taste. Feel free to throw in more salt or spices to suit your taste buds. You're the one who's got to eat it, so make it how you like it. If you don't like nutmeg, don't add the nutmeg. Now scoop that goodness into a jar or ramekin and smooth the top with a spatula. Cool little tip, if you wet the top of the spatula, it's going to make a smooth finish. Now sprinkle some finely chopped thyme on there for an extra kick and a pretty touch. Pour some clarified butter over the top, creating a protective seal that keeps things fresh and fancy. Now pop that jar or ramekin into the fridge for a few hours or overnight. This is to let the flavors mingle and to firm up the mousse. Trust me, it's worth the wait. When you're ready to roll, grab some toasted bread, crackers, or fresh veggies, whatever floats your boat. That's it, foodies, your turkey liver mousse. No fancy chef hat required. This turkey liver mousse is ready to steal the spotlight at your next get-together. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Did you add your own spin? Got any questions? I'm here to help. And if there's something else you'd like me to cook up, let me know. And until next time, Foodie out.